oceans to the lush forests, planet Earth has been home to some of the most extraordinary and largest creatures to ever walk, swim, or fly across its surface. The diversity and sheer scale of these animals can be almost beyond comprehension. From colossal land-dwelling herbivores to terrifying predators, the planet has hosted some of the most awe-inspiring animals that have ever existed. In this video, we'll explore some of the biggest creatures that roamed the Earth, examining both those long extinct and those still alive today. From massive dinosaurs to gargantuan ocean creatures, let's dive into the world of the largest animals to have ever lived. Dinosaurs. Argentinosaurus stands out as a truly gigantic herbivorous dinosaur that lived during the late Cretaceous period, around 90 million years ago, in what is now Argentina. This dinosaur is recognized as one of the largest land animals ever to exist, reaching up to 100 feet in length and possibly weighing 100 tons. The massive creature had a long neck that made up about half of its total body length, and a surprisingly small head, no bigger than a baseball-sized brain. The sheer size of Argentinosaurus meant that it would have required enormous amounts of plant matter to sustain itself, likely consuming over half a ton of vegetation daily. Its enormous size likely provided a great defense against predators, with few threats able to challenge it. However, Argentinosaurus was far from the only massive dinosaur. Spinosaurus, a giant theropod that lived during the late Cretaceous period around 100 to 95 million years ago, was one of the most terrifying predators of its time. Known for its distinctive sail-like structure along its back, created by elongated vertebrae spines, Spinosaurus was an apex predator that took its hunting to the water. New discoveries have revealed that Spinosaurus may have been semi-aquatic, using its long, narrow snout and webbed feet to hunt fish, possibly even dominating both land and water. With estimates suggesting Spinosaurus reached lengths of 15 meters and weighed up to 8 tons. This fearsome predator was certainly a force to be reckoned with. Megalodon. Switching to the seas, one of the largest and most infamous creatures that ever lived was Megalodon. This prehistoric shark lived between the Miocene and Pliocene epochs, roughly 23 to 3.6 million years ago. Megalodon was a massive apex predator that could grow up to 18 meters long and weigh around 60 tons, outsizing even the modern great white shark by over 3 times its length and 10 times its weight. Megalodon's impressive size and immense bite force, estimated between 10 and 18 tons, made it capable of hunting large marine mammals, including whales. The sheer power behind its bite allowed it to pierce the thick blubber of its prey. Despite its terrifying size, Megalodon went extinct approximately 3.6 million years ago, with various theories suggesting that changes in prey availability or competition from other predators could have led to its demise. Leviathan. In the wake of Megalodon's extinction, other marine predators rose to dominate the oceans, such as the giant predatory whale, Leviathan. Living approximately 12 to 13 million years ago during the Miocene epoch, Leviathan reached lengths of 17 to 18 meters and weighed up to 60 tons. Known for its powerful jaws and blade-like, serrated teeth that could grow up to 36 centimeters, Leviathan preyed on large marine animals, such as whales and dolphins. Though Leviathan may have been capable of hunting Megalodon, it's important to note that both species lived in different time periods and likely never encountered one another. Nevertheless, Leviathan was a dominant predator of its time. Paraceratherium. On land, few animals could rival the size of Paraceratherium, a giant herbivorous mammal that lived during the Oligocene epoch, around 34 to 23 million years ago. Paraceratherium, one of the largest land mammals to ever exist, weighed up to 18 metric tons, about the size of 3 to 4 African elephants, and stood more than 5.5 meters tall at the shoulder. This hornless, rhinoceros-like mammal had a long, flexible neck and a small head in proportion to its massive body. Feeding on vegetation, Paraceratherium likely roamed vast landscapes, using its large, 3-toed legs to support its enormous weight. This giant herbivore is a true testament to the incredible scale of prehistoric creatures. Not far behind in size was Diodon, a pig-like creature that roamed North America during the Oligocene and Miocene epochs. Standing over 2 meters tall at the shoulder and weighing almost 500 kilograms, Diodon was a formidable omnivore with a powerful bite and sharp teeth capable of crushing bones. Diodon's ability to scavenge and hunt small mammals, reptiles, birds, and even carrion made it a fearsome predator in its environment. However, competition with other carnivores and changes in the environment likely contributed to its extinction around 5 million years ago. Megalania. Among the most terrifying reptiles to ever walk the earth was Megalania, a giant